This is Nantong Dongqing Machinery, a food equipment manufacturer with over 20 years of experience. From design and production to final assembly and delivery, every machine begins its journey here. With a 15,000 square meter facility, 50 production lines, and 100 skilled employees, Dongqing delivers efficient and reliable manufacturing. Quality begins with materials. Every batch is inspected before entering production. Raw materials are first cut and formed, creating the foundation for precise manufacturing. Precision drilling and machining ensure perfect fitting of every component. Critical components are precision ground to improve accuracy and operational stability. Experienced welders ensure every structure is strong and reliable. Before painting, every machine is carefully filled and polished to achieve a smooth finish. Premium painting processes enhance both appearance and durability. Finished components are assembled into complete machines on the production line. Every machine undergoes strict testing to ensure stable and reliable performance. From factory floor to customer destination, every step is carefully managed. With over 20 years of manufacturing expertise and 56 industry awards, Dongqing delivers reliable food equipment solutions worldwide. Dongqing, building trust through manufacturing.